So I have got 1, 2, and 3 of this size pots, these size. And then I've got 2 of these. Some rocks for drainage. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 total at the dollar store. And I am gonna make a three-tiered herb garden. It's gonna be fun. First thing I'm gonna do, so I got some basil, 2 basils, Italian oregano, and flat leaf parsley. This is super simple. I'm just gonna take this, put it upside down like this. I'm not gonna glue it because in case I ever want to deconstruct it and do something else. I'm gonna break these up just a little bit. These pots are very, very light, so take that into consideration when working with them. Now I'm going to add this. This I got at Walmart for $2, which I thought was really good. Each one of these plants were originally $3.98, but at Walmart they were on sale for $2.98. And then this one here was like $1 something, which I could not believe. This one's heavy, and that's why I want it here on top to really stabilize everything. Here's the finished product. So I had my 3 dollar store pots, the 3 large ones, 2 small ones, and you saw how I put that together. I did a total of 5 herbs, 2 basils, 2 Italian oreganos, and 1 flat leaf parsley. I already have lavender over in this right here, so I was thinking about having lavender with my herbs, but I'm just gonna, it's fine there for now. And then I filled the top with this. I got this from Walmart. I believe it was like $2, and it's a little more top heavy, and that's what I wanted to make this more secure. I've never done this before, so this is new. I will say that it doesn't feel as sturdy as I was expecting. I did get the rocks. I did not end up using them. I will probably go back in. I'm going to see how it does. It's a little windy today. I'm going to see how it does today with the wind. I'm also going to wet or water it to kind of make it heavy. But I really like it. I love the blue. I love having the herbs there. I love the aroma. I think it's a really sweet, inexpensive herb garden. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think it's pretty. It's displayed nicely outside. See, it's windy and it's holding up. We'll see. And as it all grows and it gets larger, we'll see how it holds up, and I'll definitely keep you guys up to date. But I really like it. I'm trying to kind kind of make my backyard look more friendly and inviting, and it's coming along. So it's just a simple, quick dollar store DIY, worth a shot. If you like videos like these, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join me on this journey of motherhood. And if you're new to my channel, I do videos like this, the dollar store DIYs and crafts, as well as cleaning motivation, organization, recipes, and I will implement some vlogs here and there just so you guys can get to know me and my family a little bit more. I'm really excited that you guys are here with me today. If there's any comments that you want to leave, kind ones, feel free down below. Like I've said in some of my other videos, I'm learning, I'm new at this, so please be kind and patient with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye guys.